Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. We're going to discuss this ring that I've been talking about in my previous videos. I'm expecting when we cross this ring, we're going to get one hell of a drop. I do not expect one massive red candle. I just think this is the point the trend will change and it will be down from here. So that's why I want to be short when we cross this ring. If you do want to trade this and you want to short it, I use BitGet. If you want, my link is pinned in the first comment description if you want to sign up. I also have a no VPN, no KYC option there for you as well. If you want to get access to this live chart as well as other charts in our Discord, you can sign up. It's $49 a month. The link is pinned in the first comment description. Just make sure you email me for the Discord invite link. And I also have tutorials teaching my method of charting so you can find these rings for yourself. So let's cover this chart. And I have watched the previous, I read some comments on the previous video that I put out. And I swear, some of you must have the IQ of a damn hamster. I made it very clear. You do not short until you cross the ring. Before that, you would either stay long or wait and short when you cross. Again, some of the comments, I just don't think they listened or watched the video. So just want to make sure you understand what I'm saying. And I told you this in the previous video. So listen to what I said. Again, this is a video I put up. Said, not ready to short Bitcoin just yet, but damn close. Close meaning time. Listen to what I said, the ring that I was talking about. And I also mentioned it in this video, the one I just referenced. I said it was very likely this line, since it was resistance and support, that this ring would also hold as support and we would ride up it. That has been playing out. So again, it's when we cross this ring, that's where I'm looking for my short entry, but I want to be below resistance. I made a post. So again, I was making it very clear. This ring was support. Until we cross it, you would stay long or wait until you short. I said this on June 16th in Discord as well. I said, if you are long from below or waiting for a safer play to short, it might be worth waiting until we cross a red ring under a resistance level. Said it there. Said it in Discord on the 19th. Again, I short when we cross. Notice we are moving right up this ring as support. Again, making it very clear. You only short when you cross, not before. We can ride up this ring and continue to push up. Someone also made a comment, something about... as you can see here, we were right at the ring. So if the next daily candle opened, we'd be on the ring. I guess they were maybe confused or they flunked geometry, but it's a curve. The higher we push up, the further we get from the ring. The lower we go, well, we cross it sooner. This is just listen to what I said in the previous video. Bitcoin, if you'll notice right here on the right, we have a lot of liquidity above us, around, what, 27,500. That's why I think it's likely we could see a little upside before we see some downside. So I have not entered my short yet. I'm waiting until we officially cross this ring right here, making it clear. If the next daily candle open, we would have crossed the ring. Otherwise, if we push up, we're further from the ring. So just want you to know what I said, because apparently some people are making comments that is not what I said in the video. And I also said, I said it was very unlikely. I did not think it was likely we'd push up to 30K. That was a target because there was a lot of liquidity up there. It seems exchanges have been pushing the price up to take out just about every short up to around 31K. And listen to what I said. You can see right over here, they'll take out all of these shorts above. And there's not much liquidity above up until 30K, which I do not see as hitting 30K. It is possible, but again, just letting you know the points I'm watching. So again, I did not know how high this would go. I was just letting you know until we cross the ring, you would stay long. When you cross the ring, that's when you short. And as you can see, we've been pushing up. Now, I will tell you this. If we hit 31K again, I will add to my short. There is another target above. This is a previous high. If you look left, I would add to my short if we hit that point. I did go ahead and enter a short because I do not think we're getting above 31K. I think when we cross this ring, we will have a lot more downside. Remember, it's not just this ring. I have another chart that backs this up. Guys, if you want me to put out a video right before we cross this ring, I will, but you'll have to at least get me 3,000 likes on this video. Otherwise, I will make a video after we cross the ring. I also made a post in Discord. This was on June 16th. And I was making it very clear why I'm expecting downside. And it was based on this Dow chart. Every time we make contact with one of these rings, when we get rejected resistance, this ring indicates we have a major drop. And you can see, and again, right here, 34,500. And if you'll notice, we got rejected from this point, 34,500, and now we're underneath this ring. Rings are reversal points. So this could hint that we could have a lot more downside for the indices, which would imply we have some upside for the DXY, which would mean that would play out perfectly with this ring when we cross to have a lot of downside. So again, just want to make it very clear. You do not short until you cross it. That being said, I decided to go ahead and short because I do not believe we're getting above 31K. But again, guys, if you do want to sign up to get access to these charts, the website is opticalcrypto.com. Links pinned first comment description. Make sure you email me to get access to our Discord. I do have tutorials as well. And if you want to trade this, guys, I use BitGet. That link's pinned first comment description, and have a no VPN, no KYC option there for you as well. But take note, guys, though the Dow is down, I'm expecting a lot more downside for the Dow Jones. And again, if the indices typically move together, so if we see downside for the stock market, Bitcoin's going to follow. And also that means we have upside for the DXY. But that's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.